So we are currently aboard an abandoned military ship. Right there is a tugboat abandoned around the same time. Both these boats are just sitting here on this old lake up in Wisconsin. It's currently freezing and I have a bunch of layers on still. Very cold. Apparently the ship was used on the US military, actually. It's pretty cool. Looks to me like a ton of stuff is left behind. I tried walking on there and there's like this area and it was like I threw a rock and the rock went right through the lake, so I was gonna walk on there, not a good idea. But look at all these life jackets left. So much stuff here that I can't even get to that area, which is fine. It's probably not too much up there. Someone's over there. Look at that, you guys.
As the crew downstairs gets the pipeline behind us and gets everything positioned, ready for me to start swinging, I'll lift one spud and I'll engage the cutter head, the big auger, and I'll swing over. As I'm swinging, I'm dropping a spud, and as that happens, occurs, I'm stepping ahead. And as soon as I get to one corner, I pick another spud, drop the other spud, and literally it has stepped ahead so many degrees. So I'm stepping ahead, and those anchors are pulling my bow side to side. And as I advance, the anchors will get alongside of me, then the crew will move the anchors ahead. They will drag.
is all it's all flooded down here actually. See that? Oh, nasty. Notice this. Some of these look like ammo boxes down there. I won't show, but yeah, it looks like some of those are army boxes of some sort.